ezyZip.
How to view RAR file contents without extracting. Have a RAR file but don't want to extract it just to see what's inside? Let me show you how easy it is with ezyZip. Start by dragging and dropping your RAR file into ezyZip, or use the Choose File button. Simple and fast. Once the file loads, you'll see a clear list of all the contents, files, folders, and their details, ready for you to browse. For certain files, like images or text, you can preview them right in your browser. No extraction or extra software needed. That's it. Viewing RAR files has never been this easy. Head to ezyZip.com to try it now. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.